Hello, Forecaster here again, and we are back for episode 87 of the Railcraft server Let's Play. And we are picking up right where we left off in the last episode. We're going to continue working on the improvements to the casting controller program. So, what we are going to want to do is somehow, when a request is made, we want to store that request. Now, I think what we want to do is we want to move all of this stuff that does the actual casting. We want to move that into a function so that we can this should be local, so that we can call that function from multiple places. We'll call it cast, and it's going to have the parameters item, material, and amount. We're going to go down here and we need the valve control. That's the confirmation. So we basically want everything between here in this after the confirmation. So we're going to cut that out, and then here we're later going to call cast. But for now, I'm just going to paste that stuff into here. And we have the item, we have the amount, and we have the material, and we can now pass those in. I don't know if they're going to conflict with these. I might want to let's just prefix them with f underscore for function. And then make sure we update all of these. And what is PL? That's the plural thing. Yeah. That should work because or actually no. That actually needs to be declared outside of the, or before I declare the function for it to be able to use it. So there. And then we're going to pass these item, material, and amount into there. And this should work as it did before. But now we can also here oh, something is wrong here. Have I done this wrong? Can you not do this? I thought you could do this. line 91. That's you. Oh, right. Now, right. Oh, 82. So, well, huh. Okay. Oh, that's not on it. Should be things in there. Okay, that resolved that. So it's just because this was empty, which you cannot have. You can't have an empty block like that. Yeah. But we're going to put stuff in here. So I guess what I want, or what I need, is we're going to have to put this last request above the cast function so it can use it. And when we have made a request successfully, actually, I guess regardless of whether it's successful or not, we're going to set last request to the item semicolon material semicolon and the amount, like that. So each time cast is called, it's going to update the last request to remember that. And what we then can do down here, let's see, here, is if last request is not null, so it's set or not nil, and we request a repeat using the command, we are going to want to split. So let's do a local item, material, and amount. And then I think we can do it like this. And then we should just be able to call cast and put these in like that. There is an error somewhere still. 83. Huh. Is there an uneven? I guess these are really like this. Which basically means that there is an end missing. So that does that. Yeah, I think that should do. Can I? I don't think I can copy and paste 140 lines. I can try. Let's close that. We'll switch back to Minecraft now and remove caster.lua, and then I'll create a new caster.lua. We'll paste. Oh, that is everything by the looks of it. So let's try this. And let's make an ingot of iron. Just one. Confirm that. Ooh. Caster to that 20, line 23. Ah. Wait. Oh. Right. Shoot. Items. Should put all of these above here, I guess. And do it like that. And then copy that. And then do the same thing. There. Let's request another iron ingot. Oh. Something. Attempt to index global side. What? 74. Let's see. That is. Oh. Right. Made a typo there. That's unfortunate. Do that again. And let's try once more. Ingot, iron 1, confirm, yes. There we go. Made one iron ingot. That pops up in here. Nice. And we have the repeat option shown up here. So if we choose item repeat, then it fails. Okay, so split does not work. That's not a valid command. I'm going to find out what the correct one is. Just search for Lua split. it looks like you have to use patterns for this, basically. That's little annoying. There are functions, however, pre-written that I could use. I'm going to nab one of those, I guess. Put it at the top here. It's called explode, and it is non-local. Local it returns a table. Hopefully this will work. So we'll change this. So explode last request with that delimiter. I think that was the instruction. No. It should be flipped. So it should be like that. And maybe that will work. Let's pop back into Minecraft. We'll turn off the heater. It's getting too hot. Redo this. Hopefully I can still piece the entire file. Yes. Okay. Let's try this again then. We'll have to request another iron ingot to stage the request, so we can repeat it, and then we'll try repeating it. Oh. What? 66. Huh. 80. There. Oh. F amount is nil. What? Okay, so apparently the explode function didn't return all the values. Let's add a print here. And then print these out. And we'll see what it actually gets. Hopefully. And let's try it again. Ingot, iron 1. Confirm yes. Repeat. Oh. 100? 21. Right, that is the print I just added. So A is not getting the last one. I guess what I'll do is I'll just have it print the entire table that explode returns. And we can see what we're getting exactly, hopefully. Oh, well, we're getting a table, obviously. Ah. Okay. So, this is a bit tricky. I guess did it say anything about doesn't say anything about that behavior. It is weird. Let's try another one. We're going to try this function instead. Okay, this is apparently not allowed. Let's try another splitter. Which looks the same as explode. I think. Yeah. Well, parameters are the same at least. Let's try this one. Five, 2, 1, yes. Repeat. Oh. What? Did I not copy that whole thing? Let's try that again. Okay, it does have the correct function there. Let's try this again. It shouldn't be calling explode anywhere. Oh, right. We had the print. I updated the print statement and not the actual functional call. Yeah, dang it. That was stupid of me. Let's try that once again. I wonder how many iron ingots I have now. I can of course smelt them down again. Attempt to call global string find. Oh. Oh. What? Well, this is a whole pile of annoying. That's for sure. Let's try this one instead. Let's just call it split. Then we have the arguments reversed. So update that, and then we'll have to move the delimiter to the other side. Then we can copy all of that again. And then back in Minecraft, we're going to just paste it. And then we're going to make another iron ingot. Try repeat and fail. Ah. Yeah, it's still doing that. So this one also fails to return the last. I guess I could fix it by adding a semicolon at the end. Probably. Let's try that. Let's bring you into IntelliJ this time properly. So we'll append at the end another semicolon. Which is a pretty simple solution if it works. And make another ingot. then repeat and fail. Okay, so that doesn't work either. Well, this is annoying. I'm going to have to poke this off camera, I think. And I'm going to end the episode here. And hopefully we'll be back for the next one with a solution to this conundrum. So, I will see you then.